Hello, YouTube, and we are back again. This time I've made my own candle mixture. Let's see. I used a Pyrex thingy right here. It fills up to 2 cup, 16 ounce. Also, see that bottom? The bottom doesn't do it any justice because you don't really notice that the bottom can hold all that it can. So basically, I filled it to near the top line, and these two are supposed to be half an ounce, which is equivalent to 8 ounce, if that sound right, because I googled it. But the fuck is this? More wax. Where does more wax come from? Also, for those people who literally make, I don't know, rant off candles, whatever, sales, I don't know what y'all doing, living off candles. I've calculated the fragrance and it is 8.5% per total of wax. And the wax is paraben, all of that. And the candle is pina colada. Now, that spill is because that had a hole in it and I couldn't see it. This is a lot. First off, I braided 3 wicks because I wanted a better wick. Now, the concept of me looking up how to tie up a tip of a braid, I don't know how to do that, and they're not explaining it. Now, let's see. Oh yeah, that is 3 wicks down there. You can only see two. Yeah, cause I got it from a wick package. I guess it was of 100. Tied them up in a 3 braid so I can make a better wick. But now, what's that hole there? I don't know what that is. This is a plain old single wick. It's got the holes up top. What is that about? And then the what is that? Why can I look through this? It's one wick and I can look through it for some reason. Let me see this thing. Huh. Also, for those who, once again, make a living off candles, I poured it all at once and I held that down with some tape and those things to keep it in the center and standing up straight. That was easier to just use that. Um, I cooled this one off first by sitting it here at regular room temp, and then, well, I got impatient, and then I went and got these and put them around the two of these, and then it still didn't solidify, so I put them in a lunch cooler pack that's insulating and two of the substitute ice packs. And this is my first actual fragrance, oil, wax, mix, candle creation. Uh, Somebody please tell me what I did right and wrong. Now, these extra tea lights, one of them, no, looks like two of them. The wick on this one fell over, so I got that butter knife to stand it back up, then it just collapsed and it's hiding inside. That, I guess it just drowned itself or whatever. I'm just, keeping the wick around. And I'm not trying to buy more wicks and figure that out. Just use what I got. Keep the scraps. So we got holes, and the bottom is transparent on the single wick. Holes here, triple braided wick, and that's taped to hold it so it don't fork out like something like that. Trees. The wick's got to be together, and there's 3 wick holder bases in there. What did I do right and wrong? Pina colada, paraben,